money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he...
Hey y'all, so first you want to start by like basically marking on your ankle where you want your little cuts to go. And then my pants were too long, so I cut a little bit of the hem off. And once you cut your hem, you then want to take your scissors, and please don't drag me for these scissors because they were trash, both pairs. So I was just switching in between both pairs throughout the whole video. But all I did was basically like cut vertically into the bottom of the jeans and made like little rectangle shapes or whatever. Just cut a whole bunch of strings. And then you want to hold your scissors like that. Yes, sis. And then like scrub that bit. Scrub that bit. You need elbow grease because like my fingers were hurting. My arms were hurting. And it took me some time. So you want to go ahead and cut a line or a few lines on those marks that you made earlier in the beginning. And here's basically where I'm showing you guys how to get that that ripped up look without that distressed look is what I'm trying to say. This is how you get that distressed look. Like, if you really pay attention, you just pull in the little blue strings, not the white ones. The blue strings out, and they're gonna start sliding out. Like, after a while, it becomes second nature, and it's like mad easy. It is time consuming, but it's not hard at all. It's just tedious. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and I want the same thing I did in the front with my ankles on my ass, you know. But this look didn't come out quite how I wanted it because I like went way too high up and my ass cheek damn near was out. But for a bold bitch, this look is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut right there where you marked. And you can see how easy it is to pull these blue pieces out. It's so easy. It's like second nature, bro. Alright, after we did the same thing we did to the ankles, we done. And now I'm finna model these. Hey.